Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Sukomah Nur Rahmawati as lecturer, seminar in language teaching. I am Aida Genosid. In this occasion, I would like to simulate the seminar proposal entitled The Implementation of Dictogloss Technique using podcast AI to TFL student listening comprehension. Language proficiency in listening is essential for acquiring knowledge and information. Being able to comprehend what people are saying requires paying good attention. Developing strong listening comprehension is an essential skill for EFL, English as foreign language. And Ramadianti 2020 claimed that it can be difficult to teach listening in class education program when many people students difficult to understand the material they are listening. And it occurs as a result of the few factors that make listening comprehension challenging for EFL students, as higher level concentration is required when someone listening to learn something. Novika et al. 2020 stated that teaching EFL listening to Indonesian students is a challenging task because the majority of students prioritize reading comprehension and writing correctly in language. It's for the pupil to set aside their listening comprehension. Another factor that affect student in listening comprehension activity are the speed and the quality of the audio system and the unfamiliar pronunciation and the lack of vocabulary from the EFL learner. These problems are the most common encountered by students in listening process. This limitation highlights the need for innovative and engaging approach to enhance EFL listening comprehension. Here's where technology emerges as a potential game changer by combining the collaborative and active nature of Dictogloss with feature of podcastal AI. This research aims to investigate a potentially transformative approach to enhance EFL listening comprehension. The framework theory: listening is a language skill that plays a main role to get information or knowledge. Wang 2020 argued that listening is two way of activity. It is a process of receiving the audible symbol. The first step of listening comprehension is receiving the sound wave to the ear of involving the nerve involved the brain to be transmitted. Ross in Ramadianti 2020 stated that listening is a complicated process with the listener must understanding the information from what they have heard, and listening also support us to know the world around us as one of the methods in achieving an effective communication. Dictogloss is a classroom dictation activity where learners listen to a passage, note down the keyword, and then work together to create a reconstructed version of the text. It was originally introduced by Ruth Wajnip and as an alternative method of teaching grammar. Vasijevic stated that the Dictogloss technique is a listening activity in classroom dictation exercise where learners listen to a passage, note down the keyword, and then work together to create a reconstructed version of the text. It is a collaborative approach to involve students actively engaging in listening, writing, speaking tasks to reconstruct the content they have heard. The Dictogloss technique offers a solution by engaging students in active listening and collaborative reconstruction for the message. Here's how it works. First, students listen to a short audio passage and when they work together in pair or small group and jot down the keyword, and then using their collective memory and keyword, they attempt to reconstruct the entire passage in their own words and promoting comprehension and formulation skills. Podcasts are one of the media that are widely used in digital era. Hajar emphasized that podcasts are currently the innovative technology. Podcasts are the media of the content audio or video, and Novianti also claimed that podcasts include the monologue or dialogue that discuss a wide variety of topics. The popularity of podcasts in recent years, offering the wealth of the authentic and engaging listening material for EFL learners. However, similarly, listening to podcasts can still be challenging due to factors like natural speed need and unfamiliar vocabulary. This is where platforms like Podcast AI come into play. These platforms are specifically designed to support language learning, then edit podcasts to integrating features that address the challenge mentioned above. Okay, the feature they are recording in studio quality audio along with the screen sharing capabilities to illuminate your lesson and text to speech. And then editing, this is no need to spend countless hours editing content because the platform make it count and easy sound flawless in just a few clicks with the help of our AI toolkit. And then the transcription, and then research question. Based on the research background of the researcher formulated the question, does the implementation of the dictogloss technique using Podcast AI lead to statistically significant improvement in listening comprehension for EFL students? And the purpose of the research. The aim of the research is to find out the effectiveness of integrating Podcast AI with the dictogloss technique for enhancing listening comprehension in EFL learners, as well as to contribute to the field of EFL pedagogy by exploring innovative approaches that leverage technology to improve student learning outcomes. The previous research I have conducted 3 research. The first is by Istiqomah et al. 2020 entitled Using Dictogloss Technique for Improving Listening Comprehension of 8th grade in SMP Tri Dharma Palembang. The study aimed to investigate the impact of using dictogloss of student listening comprehension skill. Dictogloss involves student listening to a paragraph, taking a keyword, and then collaboratively reconstructing the text. The process includes one-up detection, analysis, reconstruction, and stage. Quantitative research methods are utilized to collect and analyze data objectively. The findings of the study include descriptive analysis and pretest and post-test score in the experimental group. The data collected through the test provide insight into the effectiveness of the dictogloss technique in improving student listening skill. Additionally, student perception of dictogloss are examined to questionnaire to understand their attitude toward this teaching method. The second result, entitled Using Dictogloss as an Effective Method of Teaching Listening Comprehension, discuss the purpose of the study was to explore how dictogloss help learners notice the gap between their current language competence and their target competence. The results showed that students were able to notice the gap between their current and target competence, with some struggling initially but showing interest in continuing with the method. The student performance improved over time, indicating the dictogloss can be effective tool for teaching listening comprehension and promoting cooperative learning. The third research is the impact of podcasts on EFL student listening comprehension, focus on investigating the effect of podcasts on student listening comprehension in EFL classroom setting. The purpose of the study was to determine whether incorporating podcasts into English language teaching could enhance student listening skill. The research sample consists of the 60 grade 10 students from SMA Angkasa 2 divided into experimental class and the control class, which is 30 students. The finding revealed a significant difference in post-test score between the two groups, with the experimental group showing higher score. The difference between this research and previous research are the use of audio podcast by Podcast AI toward listening class for EFL students. The research stands out from the previous study due to its unique focus on analyzing the dictogloss technique used Podcast AI, which has yet not to be explored. The researchers embarked on this research with the specific goal of investigate the effectiveness of integrating podcast AI with the Dictogloss technique for enhancing listening comprehension in EFL learner. The first is independent variable is integration of podcast AI with Dictogloss technique, and dependent variable EFL student listening comprehension proficiency. Instrument, standardized listening comprehension test, pretest and post-test to measure dependent variable listening comprehension, audio syllabus, and lesson plan. Design method, this research will use quantitative research in the pre-experimental method design. The procedure teaching. The first is preparatory phase. Ensure that all necessary material are ready, including the selected passage of the text, audio recording of the passage, and access podcaster AI platform. Familiarize within the feature of podcaster AI and how to integrate it with the Dictogloss technique. Prepare the classroom environment for collaborative learning, ensuring that students can work in small group comfortably. Pre-teaching, introduce the topic of the passage to the student, providing any necessary background information. Explain the purpose of the activity and how it will help improve their listening comprehension skill. Briefly review the steps of the Dictogloss technique and introduce the feature of podcast AI that will be used during the activity. First teaching, play the audio recording to the passage through podcast AI and ensuring that the audio quality is clear and audible for all students. And then instruct the student to listen attentively to the passage, focusing on the understanding and content and identifying key vocabulary and noting down important points. And then encourage students to take note as they listen to the passage, cutting down the keyword and phrase and the idea that they have. And then divide students into small group, ideally 3 until 4 students per group, and assign each group a specific session to the passage. And then provide time for students to compare their notes within their group and collaboratively reconstruct the passage based on their collective understanding. And then encourage the student negotiate meaning, work together to create a coherent reconstruction of the passage. Facilitate the whole class discussion where each group share the reconstructed version of the passage. And then encourage students to compare and contrast the reconstruction, discussing any different or area ambiguity. Post-teaching, provide the feedback on the student listening comprehension skill, highlighting area and strength and area for improvement, and then conclude the whole material and encourage students consider how the integrated of podcast AI enhance their listening comprehension skill and what strategy they can apply in future listening activity. And the last is significance of the research. In this research, there are two significance of the research as follows. The first is theoretical contribution for research. For the theoretical contribution, it will be expected to support the previous research about applying the Dictogloss technique to improve listening comprehension and give information to reader that the Dictogloss strategy with audio can be used in teaching listening. And then practical contribution of research. For the teacher can use the Dictogloss technique to improve and increase the quality of the teaching and learning reading in the class. For student, the research will be expected can give the benefit for student because by using the Dictogloss technique, student can get understanding in the listening comprehension. Yeah, enough. This all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.